Yo, what is up, Paradise Crew? We have another jam-packed episode for you guys, filled with magic, baby. What we got going on today?
Today we are going to the Animal Kingdom.
Woo, woo. That's right, we got that brand new, I can't wait to be king content for you guys today. We're going to the Tucker's house for Din Din, which sounds delicioso. What else we got?
We're going on a safari.
A safari, we're gonna see the giraffes, the lions, the rhinos. I can't wait. I hope you're excited. We're staying at the boardwalk tonight, so we're gonna get a little Z's right there. But you already know what time it is.
Give them paradise.
Let's give them paradise.
This is nice.
Yeah.
This is really nice.
It's peaceful. It's relaxing. It smells delicious.
It does smell
hungry.
I'm very hungry. We are walking on the boardwalk, if you cannot tell that already. We are on our way to meet Rose, and then we're headed to the Animal Kingdom, because it's 5:46, and we can get in at 6 o'clock.
So you mentioned something about a very special event tonight. What is that event?
I did. I don't exactly know. All I do know is that it's for Disney Vacation Club members, which, you know, we're not, but Rose is, so she has invited us to go with her.
Now, if you see anything that you've liked in this episode so far, activities, food, or maybe even the lodging, you can always check out our website and book with Rose. So,
Yes.
yeah.
Ooh, ice cream, $3 on top of the fun cream.
Smiles, priceless.
Okay, we can't ruin our dinner. We do have dinner reservations at the Tucker House in Animal Kingdom. I'm excited because I've never eaten there, and the menu looks awesome.
What's up, everybody? As you can see, we are at Animal Kingdom, and just like that, it is now dark.
It is dark.
It is dark, but now it's time for the fun.
Yeah, we're gonna have some fun. So it is dark, but we're gonna see some great things. We're gonna go on Everest, hopefully, right now, and then we're gonna go get some dinner.
Hey-o.
So let's go do that.
Let's do it.
Slight change of plans. It started raining, so we're gonna eat dinner first here at the Tusker House, and then we're gonna try to do Everest. Hopefully the rain will have been passing all the way through Orlando and not come back for the rest of the evening. That's what we can hope, because a lot of this stuff is outside, and if it rains, it's just gonna be dark, wet, and miserable, and we don't wanna do that. So, get some food. This is a buffet style, I guess, with an African flair. So we're excited.
African flair.
There's our African flair.
African flair.
Guys, it's really loud in here, so the chances of us vlogging throughout is going to be very slim. But I got a plate full of healthy food. I'm really excited about this place because there's salmon, there's pork butt, there's vegetables, there's roasted vegetables, there are plantains, tabbouleh. Oh my God, there's so many great things here, and we don't have to ruin our diet, which is awesome. However, I also got some sangria because why not? So I'm going to enjoy this. We'll see what Cullen ends up with. Hopefully you saw kind of the buffet style, but there's plenty of options for everyone. I am loving it. Whew, I am full.
I feel good, guys.
Well, I had a little bit more dessert than you did. But what are we doing now?
Right now, we are going on a safari.
We're going on a safari.
To visit Harambe and friends.
Oh no. So hopefully we can see some fun animals because it is so dark. But it did say there's a 25-minute wait. So we'll see how accurate that is. What time is it?
Right now, the time is 8:35.
Not too bad. We have until midnight, guys, so. Well, not for this ride, but in general, we have.
Fun just started.
Fun just started. Late night at Animal Kingdom. That 25-minute wait was 10. And I think it was mostly walking, so we didn't really wait. But Cullen almost got on a different safari truck, which would have been hysterical. Because then you could have seen his little point of view and then mine, but it's fine.
Could you imagine me on the wrong safari?
You're like, bye!
I'm on my own safari.
Now very soon it is going to be time to part ways. Here in Harambe, we don't really like saying goodbyes. Goodbyes are far too sad and final. So instead, I like to leave you with a Swahili phrase. That phrase is Kwaherini. Kwaherini roughly translates to mean go well. There is just one more animal that we've not talked about out here on the reserve, and that's going to be found on the left-hand side of the truck. It's known as a confusion of safari guides.
Koala.
It's a really interesting animal. We've been studying them out here on the reserve, trying to figure out their habits and their behaviors. What we've learned is that they'll come out and...
That was fun!
That was crazy cool.
We got to see lions that were awake and they were walking around.
They yawned large and proud and was like...
I don't know the words. Anyhow, that was super cool. We'll have to come back and do it in the daytime and maybe see a few more animals. But I mean, I think did you get it on video?
Yeah, I got the lions.
Get some things on video. I got to even take some photos.
Yeah, so
with my cool iPhone 11 Pro that takes good nighttime photos.
Feel really good. Saw some lions. I didn't see any giraffes.
I didn't see giraffes either.
I know in the daytime the giraffes are out. I don't know where they're now.
They're sleeping. However giraffes sleep, I don't really know.
Was it just me or were y'all low-key waiting for the lion to like jump onto the rocks? And
Right. Well, see, here's the thing about the safari at nighttime is that you can't really see anything, and you know these are real animals. So I'm like, what are the chances that there's an animal that's going to come up to the safari vehicle? And like, so I was a little scared. I was a little scared.
With the big horns, I was like, what if that just rammed the truck?
Right. What if it just decided
that, three of them like,
that they didn't want to see the truck there anymore and they just came running?
Three little homies poked their heads out of the grass. He was like, oh, look over there. And all three of them were like, yo, we need you to turn off the light.
Right. What are you guys doing? All right. Change of plans. Again, headed to Pandora because it's here. This is the direction we walked. And so far, I'm at the very front of it and it looks so cool. Look how clear that looks. That's gorgeous. Guys, look at Cullen's hat. So he's really easy to spot because he has literally a glowing target on his head. I cannot believe how cool this place is. Like, you see it in videos, and I'm sorry we can't do it as justice, but like, to see it in person and everything just kind of glows. It's really neat.
Oh, hey, check this out from behind her. You see it?
Oh, could we get a photo in here?
How much different it is.
So pretty.
Yeah, we should.
Look at the ground.
That's
it's just like,
I mean, you can't see this, but come check this out.
The ground is
Like, look at the ground.
I see
so
it.
cool.
Well, it's funny because you're just, sorry, you're extra dark.
Well, thank you.
So now would probably be a good time to say that I've never seen Pandora. However, the theming of this whole area is incredible. But I'm excited because I've heard awesome things about this ride.
Restraints activated.
Welcome back. Please step off the link chair, gather your belongings, and exit the link chamber.
That was insane! That was insane!
Attention drivers, stow your gear on the back wall and then get up.
This is my favorite ride at Disney. And I haven't been on it in so long, like 6 years. Expedition Everest. Are you ready to see some Yetis?
Is that Wookiees?
That's a Wookiee. Oh man, look, we were walking right on it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so glad that's what it was gonna be. Oh my gosh.
You've been on this before? Yeah, hold on to the camera. There's gonna be, look up there.
Oh no, this is going backwards.
Yes!
No! No! Oh my God!
That was so much fun. And Cullen started yelling. Before we even started, really, he was like, "What did you bring me on? What is this?" And I said, "Oh, you remember, you've been on this one before." And then he goes, "We're going backwards, aren't we?" I said, "Yeah, we're going backwards." So fun. Guys, I need another roller coaster buddy because he really doesn't like roller coasters. Was it fun?
That was fun. Now that I'm like on the ground and
On the ground. Seriously, hold on here.
no longer
1 second. We still have Mickey bars to get. I'm just saying, they're free. You can't pass up a free Mickey bar. 2 words, guys. 3 words. Free Mickey bar. And Cullen gets a fruit pop.
watching my figure, guys.
What the? They sure are welcoming here into this Starbucks. It's very nice. But to be fair, we don't live here, and you know, we're also not vacation club members. So
Here's the deal, guys. You tell so many people welcome home. Like, how many people live here? Who pays the bills?
well, they're all vacation club members.
This is my house.
We're just not. But we got free Mickey bars, so I ain't complaining about that.
What's up, Paradise crew?
Good morning!
Buenos dias. Guys, my beautiful, amazing wife had an extraordinary idea. It was to ride these gondolas, the sky things, whatever you call them. What
Skyliner.
are they? Skyliner. And she said, let's end the vlog there and we'll get on. But oh and behold, you can't get on the gondola ride right here.
You can't. It looks like it's a stop because there's like a point, but you can't. So we would have to go to Epcot or one of the other resorts to get on, and we don't have time for that this morning.
No, which is a bummer.
It's a big bummer because we're right here, and I've not been on them yet, so I thought it would be fun.
Yeah, but you know what's not a bummer?
What?
This episode. I hope you liked it. If you found anything in this episode fun, entertaining, you thought the food was great, and you would like to do any of these experiences, please reach out to our travel guru, Rose in Paradise. All that information is in the description box below. Reach out to her, ask her questions, and make sure that she gets you a gondola ride, because this is the only thing we planned outside of Rose, and oh and behold, we're not on it.
We're not on it.
Guys, if you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise.
See you in paradise. Smash the like button. Bye, guys.